Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I found another lithium stock here. I haven't talked about this one before. I've talked about a couple other ones. Lithium Americas Corp. LAC is the ticker on that one. I'll go ahead and link it in the description. But you can see what this one's done over the last year. You don't see too many stocks that are actually up 81% in the last year, so this one hasn't been listed all that long, since September of last year. Could have gotten in at the $8 range. I think my cost basis on Lithium Americas Corp is about $4, but this one you can see started off at $8, but hasn't been listed all that long. So, but up over 81% in the last year, and you can see it was actually a little bit higher than what the price is actually now. So down a little bit over the last 3 months, down over 11%. In the last month it's down over 19%, down a little over 3% in the last week, and here's what it's doing today. So I could almost even trade this one and make a little extra. So I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. But again, this is Sigma Lithium. Ticker is SGML. So again, ticker SGML. And I'm going to start watching this one, put it on a watch list. You can actually build watch lists on a lot of different brokerages, but you can build like a different sector on TD Ameritrade. So what I'm getting at is you can build like a couple different lithium stocks if that's what you choose to do. So just kind of throwing some ideas out there. But if you don't know much about this one, it's in the production of a lithium property. It focuses on a project. The firm also plans world-class commercial-scale lithium concentration plant. The company was founded in 2011, so $1.48 billion market cap, high today of $14.72, low of $14.12, 52-week high of $19.99, and a low of $4.89. Not a lot of volume on this one, 614,000, an average of 38,000. I don't know if I can... That might be off. Sometimes that's off here on Robinhood, but earnings next expected on July 19th, so you might see a little bit of a run-up between now and then, but maybe not. So this is the one that I was referring to earlier. This is a ticker LAC. I believe I've talked about Standard before, and Piedmont I've talked about a couple times here on the channel as well. So but you can see they're all in the green. So all these are a long-term hold. They usually have really good ratings just in regards to, I mean, this is kind of a picks and shovels play to all the EVs, so the electric vehicles is why I'm watching these. So anything in regards to moving forward in the future, that's how I look at it. So, I mean, you have Tesla that I've talked about numerous times, Ford, GM, they all have electric vehicles coming out, and they're all going to need lithium, so, or the majority of them will need lithium. So, and as you can see here on Bing, it's got a strong buy, currently at $13.83. Sigma Lithium Corp. Skating on thin ice, and we know the answer, and this is just dated a couple days ago, so it went down 4.77% in the latest closing price compared to a recent one-year high of $19.99. The company's stock price has collected minus 8.62% of the loss in the last 5 trading sessions. So you can see it's kind of got a hold, sell rating. It's just if you believe in the company, sometimes it's nice to see a stock with a good buy rating, good ratings. but I don't totally go by that, but it is kind of nice to see, especially when analysts are looking at it, and just got to do your own research on them. But average price from analysts is $28.09, which is $6.97 above the current price. Like I said, if you hold these long enough, I've had Lithium Americas Corp since I think since 2018. I want to say it's still in the $20 range. One of my accounts with it's got like a $4 or almost $5 cost basis, so in time they have to go up, I would assume, but not all of them. But just do your research and figure out which one is the best for you. But here kind of goes over some more performance. Not going to go over all that since this is a couple days old and it's probably changed since then, but you can see the buy ratings here and so on. So moving forward, down 35.25% away from the high, poised for a strong comeback. I would say it's due for a strong comeback. It might have just been a pullback. It might have ran up and then everybody sold off. Everybody got scared just like everything else. So, but again, this was back on the 2nd, so just kind of goes over some trades there. But I feel if all these are down, just like MJ stocks, they got to come back at some point in time. So I just look at it as a buying opportunity, and not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but that's how I look at them. So, but here it kind of goes over some more information. Remain trading in the red while hitting the week highest on Tuesday. So it kind of goes over the 5-day, showed a performance of minus 2.89% in the past. So, I mean, if you like these, if you like a certain company and it's kind of volatile, just dollar cost average into it. That's usually what I do. Nobody likes to buy a stock and then see it go down, but if it does, sometimes it's a good opportunity to buy more if you want more of that company. So sometimes I just ride the wave and see what it's going to do for a while and just kind of decide from there. So it just all depends on what's going on in the news and the world and that particular stock. So, but is set to become one of the world's largest hard rock lithium producers. So I already showed you some of the action that's going on this one. And so, I mean, lithium, it's going to be a major need. So that's why it's a long-term hold of mine. So, but this is also a Canadian exploration and development company focused on developing its 100% owned hard rock lithium project in Brazil. So and potentially the world's 4th largest lithium mine. So phase 1 is fully funded for $111 million US and is targeting 270,000 tons of lithium concentrate annually. So all these are probably really starting to ramp up with all the EVs. I mean, Elon talks all the time looking for lithium. They talk about shortages. So lithium, says Brazil mining project worth more than $5 billion. Over here on Reddit, 15 days ago, substantially increased total mineral resource by 50%. Addition of phase 3 increases total mineral resource. So definitely one to watch here. Definitely one to put on a watch list. I just talked about another lithium stock a couple days ago, SLI. I'll go and link that in the description along with all the Lithium Americas Corp. LAC, you can watch those as well. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $14.68. Low of $6.96, high of $19.99. This might be another one to look at. Brazil Minerals is fixing to be bigger than 1 cent. Might have to take a look at that one. Not much there other than what we just went over. And here on MSN, currently at $14.50 with a strong buy. Usually a lot of these have great ratings, and it's showing an upside to $29.11. But that is all that I have on this one, on Sigma Lithium, and it looks like it's coming down a little bit now. So but just wanted to do a quick video on this one, see who out there has this one, and it's definitely one to watch. Like I said, lithium is another sector in itself to watch. There's quite a few lithium stocks out there. Some are better than others. I've covered a couple here on the channel. Like I said, I'll link those in the description for you to watch. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. If there's any other lithium stocks out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.